going on, guys? Hey, what's going on, guys? Back to you another video. I would have did these HID lights unboxing at the same time for the fog lights and the headlights, but unfortunately I didn't order them at the same time because I wasn't sure if I was going to do LEDs for the fog lights and HID for the headlights. But I end up doing HID for the headlights and HID for the fog lights. So that's why they came at separate time. Otherwise, I did the unboxing video with my fog lights. But anyway, let's get into it since y'all seen the other video and y'all basically know how everything is gonna go. Again, for those who ain't seen the other video, these 9006 headlights right here, they come with the they the 5000K. Like I said in my other video, I suggest if you're doing HID lights, headlights, or fog lights, try to go with between 5000K, and I wouldn't go no higher than 6000K, because anything higher than that, like 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 30,000, the higher you go up, the less light, the visibility that you get. You know, I've done all them lights in the past. I mean, they look cool for like off-road, like the blue headlights, the purple headlights. But man, when it's snowing out there, foggy, or raining real bad, you ain't gonna be able to see crap. And that's just straightforward. No BS, no beating around the bushes. You're not gonna be able to see crap. You know, it's hard visibility. I mean, it look good, but I don't really want the looks. I want the usability out of them. You know, I want to be able to see. So I got the 5000K. You know, and I suggest anybody, if y'all just like buying an old car, used car, and they come with them halogen lights, I suggest get them halogen lights out of there and get you some LED headlights or some HID headlights, especially when you're going down them dark roads that don't have, what you call that? They don't have reflectors on the road. They don't have the street lights, you know, and it's just super dark. It's hard to see. And like me personally, I go down a lot of back roads, down a lot of dark streets. But anywho, and again, the company name is, I think it's pronounced Innovited. If I'm not sure, if somebody know, you can correct me on that. But I've been dealing with this company for years, and they got good customer service, and their product is well put together and lasts a long time. And I chose to go with the slim design on this one, because I mean, normally I do sometimes I do the 55 watt ones, and they come with the bigger boxes that you mount. But I ordered the slim kit for my fog lights because I don't know how much room I got back there. I don't want no big bulky box to try to mount up under that by the fog lights. So I just ordered the slim kit for the headlights too. So see that normally these boxes be bigger, but look how small this box is. Easy to conceal, easy to mount. And like I said on my last video, like when you're doing some people vehicles, they don't like you to screw holes, and some people just don't like you to screw holes up under the vehicle. And I see like some people is picky. They like up under their engine. The engine is super clean, you know, and they don't want no holes mounted up under their vehicle. So that's why I get, like, sometimes I get a smaller box and I strap it. But nevertheless, this is going to my vehicle, so I might mount it, I might strap it, I don't know, but it will be a clean, tight installation done to it. You know, I usually just like take some wire ties and strap it to a harness or whatever like that, so it won't move. Strap it to something solid, out of the way of moisture and heat. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So, and another thing about the 35 watt, the balance, the 35 watt, I usually get the 35 watt because it lasts longer. The 55 watt is okay. It's brighter. But like I said, the 55 watt, it get brighter. And some people with the plastic headlight housing, by it getting hot, it draw moisture. Yeah, because definitely the 55 watt, it draw moisture. And it make the headlights hazy over time. You know, the clear coat the head. You ever seen them headlights where it's like moisture and it look foggy, and that's come from like excessive heat, and you know, over time they stuff wear down, the clear coat burn off the front of the headlights. But anyhow, the I usually get the 35 watts because it don't draw as much heat as energy, and it lasts a long time. Like I said, they're not as bright as the 55 watt, but they still bright. It's brighter than the regular the halogen headlights that come with the vehicle. Because I hate them pissy yellow headlights. So that's it, guys, and I'll do another video on how to install them. It's just real simple. It's like plug and play, you know. Yeah, that's it, man. If you like this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and y'all be safe out there. And I'm out. Perfect.